Breaking news is coming in right now. Police storms former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan's residence. Lahore police has attacked his Lahore residence. Servants were beaten up and door broken. This despite court restraining order. A search warrant for Imran Khan's house at Zaman Park in Lahore. Several PTI workers have been arrested. Clashes between workers and anti-rights force at Imran Khan's house. 6 PTI workers in fact injured and many detained. Use of water cannon inside Zaman Park, Imran Khan's residence. So things escalating over there in Pakistan, where it is being claimed that the police, Lahore police, has stormed into former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan's residence. Remember, he's on his way to Islamabad to make an appearance in court. Meanwhile, Lahore police allegedly attacked his residence. Servants were beaten up allegedly. The door has been broken down. Those pictures that are coming in from Lahore at the moment. This despite a court restraining order. The situation extremely tense on the ground in Lahore. There was a search warrant for Imran Khan's house in Zaman Park, Lahore. Several PTI workers have been arrested. Clashes, in fact, between workers and, in fact, forces at Imran Khan's house. 6 PTI workers have been injured and many have been detained. Use of water cannon, in fact, inside Zaman Park, Imran Khan's residence. So that's the latest that's coming in from Pakistan at the moment. The situation extremely tense on the ground and escalating as we speak. Remember, very recently Imran Khan held a press conference, in fact sitting with what he said was shells from the attacks on his residence while he'd been inside his residence. And now you can see in those images Imran Khan earlier leaving from his residence as well. And while he is not at home in Lahore, claims now that Lahore police stormed into his residence. You can see those images also of clashes between forces and PTI workers, where PTI workers claim injuries. At least 6 of them claim that they've been injured in those clashes. Water cannons, in fact, used inside Zaman Park, which is Imran Khan's residence. Absolutely shocking images there of the complete turmoil in Pakistan at the moment. You can see cops over there taking away some of those PTI workers who clashed with the police as they entered the residence of former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan at Zaman Park in Lahore. In fact, Imran Khan has also spoken out on it and he's called it a bid to arrest him. Imran Khan, in fact, is saying that this is all in an attempt to arrest him immediately. Shifa Yusufzai from Islamabad is joining us over the phone line right now. Shifa, thank you so much for speaking with us at the moment. She's live with us. Shifa, just tell us what's happening in Lahore at the moment.
Scenes from Lahore and the news from Lahore is shocking, worrisome, troublesome, because in the morning today, Imran Khan was supposed to present himself in the Islamabad judicial complex in front of his, the judge for a case that was supposed to be heard on today, which is on the 18th. So he left Lahore, his Lahore residence, Zaman Park today, and he while he was on the motorway, his house back in Lahore was attacked. His residence was attacked. His wife there, the former Prime Minister's wife, the former First Lady Bushra Begum, is there alone with their house help. And through certain news sources, we also have reason to believe that she is with his Imran Khan's sister Uzma. So at the house alone. So I am not very sure if Uzma is there, but Bushra Begum is certainly there at his residence in Lahore. The police has displayed the worst of brutality, state brutality, that one could not even imagine. They couldn't attack him, they couldn't arrest him when he was there at his residence in Lahore, but today when he left the residence, they had planned this chaos and this attack on his Lahore residence. They say and they claim that they are looking for weapons, they are looking for prohibited weapons, they are looking for petrol bombs, but no such evidence has so far been produced from their side. The only thing that we could see was police's brutality and police beating his house help staff, his half a dozen workers who were there as watchmen, watch guards for his wife. So also, there is a very interesting development just a few hours before this. Last night, Maryam Nawaz was giving an interview to a very popular, renowned journalist here, Mansoor Ali Khan, and she, in that interview, was demanding, I don't know who was she demanding from, but she was demanding, she was very certain, and she said that PTI should be dealt with and be declared as a banned terrorist outfit. So right after she gives an interview and she makes this demand on the national television that PTI, Imran Khan's political party, should be declared a banned terrorist outfit. So the next day, his house is attacked, and now the police is claiming certainly.
Shifa, just hold on for a minute because Talha Saeed is also joining us from Lahore. He's on the ground over there. Talha, if you can just tell us what is happening on the ground at the moment.
Well, right now, Punjab Police personnel removed the barricades from the entrance of Imran Khan's Zaman Park residence and entered in the premises. And the police met with the resistance from PTI workers from inside as well, which resulted in baton charge. But after that, police took over the control of his whole house. And as the police personnel also uprooted the camps when they enter inside the premises. And right now, I'm here in IG Punjab's office, where IG Punjab, Dr. Usman Anwar, and Information Punjab, Amir Mir, is going to hold a press conference, and they will brief the media about all of this operation, and they will inform the media about the developments of this operation. But reportedly, police has seized 16 rifles from the Imran Khan's residency. This is a claim made by Lahore police, but it is up to IG Punjab that whether he will confirm that what sort of rifles they were. But right now they're about to do the press conference. Yeah.
Okay, so they claim that they have found weapons inside Imran Khan's residence. Imran Khan, meanwhile, has tweeted about this as well. He, of course, en route to Islamabad to appear in court. He says, meanwhile, Punjab Police have led an assault on my house in Zaman Park, where Bushra Begum is alone. Under what law are they doing this? This is part of London plan, where commitments were made to bring absconder Nawaz Sharif to power as quid pro quo for agreeing to one appointment. It is now clear that despite my having gotten bail in all my cases, the PDM government intends to arrest me. Despite knowing their malified intentions, I'm proceeding to Islamabad and the court because I believe in the rule of law, but ill intent of this cabal of crooks should be clear to all. Shifa, just coming across to you at the moment, he speaks about the London plan. What is he talking about?
He is talking about the exact same thing that I was mentioning just a while ago, that Maryam Nawaz giving an interview last night. She says that, and she demands, basically makes this demand that his political party should be banned and should be declared as a banned terrorist outfit, which is why the 16 rifles you just, the reporter that you had right now from Zaman Park, Lahore, he just says that they have found 16 rifles. So the operation has been carried out since 12 noon today. So it has in Pakistan 12 noon, since 12 noon it is 2:45. So in 2.5 hours they have found 16 rifles. Why not earlier? Why are they claiming that they have just found the 16 rifles? Even before this today, police was claiming, the police on the ground at the gate of Zaman Park, police was saying that there was a gunshot fired from the roof of the house. And then later it was reported on several TV channels here in Pakistan that it was police standing on the roof and they were opening these gunshots on their own police personnel just to make an impact, just to make it look like as if it was PTI workers firing those gunshots on the police from there. So this is something police, I don't know what is it that they are going to find. Also, I would like to mention here that Uzma, Imran Khan's sister, she asked them for a search warrant in the beginning, right in the beginning of this operation. And at that time, this is around 12 noon in Pakistan. At that time, nobody produces any search warrant. Later, it is produced and it is given and it is circulated on the media when people start questioning that why was such a grand operation being carried out without any search warrant.
Okay, so that is absolutely a pertinent question that will be asked of the police, which in fact has entered Imran Khan's Zaman Park residence over there in Lahore. You can see those images of the cops who have entered over there in all their gear, and they seem to have opened fire as well, which is what Shifa is informing us at the moment. But PTI workers there trying to in fact put up a resistance. They clashed with the police over there. Several of them have been arrested as well. This while Imran Khan is en route Islamabad to appear in court, because as he said, he believes in the rule of the law, but he fears that he will be arrested also. Shifa, if we know that because he's already expressed apprehensions of fear of arrest, he has announced that there will be a committee which will be leading his party in his absence if he were to go to jail.
Yes, he has such fears. He also fears for his life because he was just attacked a few months ago in Wazirabad during his rally, and then when he wanted to file an FIR report, which is the first investigation report, which usually a victim is supposed to file, the government on his behalf filed and nominated a few people in that FIR, although Imran Khan did not agree with that at that time. But he has in several interviews he has given this perception, and he has given this idea that he is willing to talk to whoever it is. He is willing to sit and have a dialogue to move things ahead. What now government, I believe, is trying to do, and several other journalists and commentators here in Pakistan believe that the government, especially interim government, is trying to do. First of all, we have to keep in mind that caretaker setup in Punjab is anything but neutral. They are not neutral because they are not acting like a neutral caretaker setup, which is there to ensure free and fair elections, which are supposed to be held on 30th March in the provincial assembly of Punjab. So what they are trying to do is that they tried to arrest Imran Khan in the last few days in Zaman Park. It was not made easier for them. His PTI, his political workers, gathered around his house and they had resisted the arrest. Then they moved to the Lahore High Court. The PTI moved to the Lahore High Court today, and when at that time they moved to Lahore High Court had given very clear-cut instructions that no arrests and no such advancements should be made.
Absolutely. So he says that he has bail in all the cases that seem to have been filed against him. Over 90 cases, as Imran Khan himself has cited. Shifa, thank you so much for joining us with your perspective and thoughts from Pakistan. Let's listen in to what Imran Khan said.
मैं इस वक्त इस्लामाबाद की अदालत जा रहा हूं। बदकिस्मती से एक्सीडेंट हुआ, मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया हूं। मैं आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं कि इन्होंने पूरा प्लान बनाया हुआ है मुझे अरेस्ट करने का, और इससे साबित हो जाती है इनकी बदनीयती। मैं इस्लामाबाद की अदालत में पहले भी जा रहा था। इन्होंने जो मेरे घर के ऊपर हमला किया, वो ये मकसद नहीं था कि मुझे इस्लामाबाद की अदालत में पेश करना। मकसद ये था कि मुझे जेल में डालना। जेल में क्यों डालना? क्योंकि लंदन प्लान का हिस्सा है कि मुझे जेल में डालो। ये नवाज शरीफ की ये उसकी डिमांड है कि इमरान खान को जेल में डालो और इलेक्शन में मुझे हिस्सा ना ले सके, और ये फिर वही करने जा रहे हैं। अभी मुझे पता है कि मुझे अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं। मैं सिर्फ बताना चाहता हूं कि मैं रूल ऑफ लॉ में मानता हूं, कानून में मानता हूं। पता होते हुए मैं जा रहा हूं, लेकिन मैं कौम को बताना चाहता हूं कि ये बेनकाब हो गए। ये जो लोग ऊपर बैठाए हुए हैं, ये चोर और डाकू और जिन्होंने बैठाए हैं, ये बेनकाब हो गए हैं कि इनकी नीयत क्या है। नीयत कभी इस मुल्क में कानून नहीं थी। इसमें जंगल का कानून नाफिज किया हुआ है इन्होंने।